In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stay safe from common scams when buying or selling online. Navigating the digital marketplace can be a bit of a jungle if you're not sure what to look out for, but don't worry, with just a bit of knowledge, you can confidently protect yourself from common pitfalls such as overpayment scams, fake payment confirmations, and more. Let's dive right in. First up, let's discuss overpayment scams. Imagine you're selling an item and the buyer sends you a payment that's actually more than the agreed amount. Then they ask for a refund of the extra money. It's a cunning move designed to trick you into sending real money back before discovering the initial payment was never legitimate. The golden rule here is straightforward. Never send money back. Always make sure to only accept the exact agreed upon payment amount. Anything else is a red flag worth avoiding. Next, watch out for fake payment confirmations. Scammers might send you an email or a screenshot claiming they've sent a payment. It can look incredibly authentic and tempting to trust. However, instead of taking everything at face value, double check your own bank or PayPal account before you go ahead and ship anything out. This simple step can save you from significant headaches down the line. The check scam is another tactic used by scammers. They'll pay with a check that is either fake or bounces when deposited. To safeguard against this and assure you receive your money securely, only accept forms of payment you can trust, like cash, secure apps such as PayPal, Gcash, or Zelle, or official bank transfers. Be particularly cautious with unusual shipping requests. Scammers might urge either you or them to use atypical shipping methods or push for shipments before payment is received. To combat this, utilize platforms that have built-in shipping systems, or better yet, arrange to meet locally. This way, both parties can inspect the goods and exchange payment on the spot. Another scam is phishing, where scammers send links outside the platform with dubious promises like asking you to verify payment here. Here's a vital tip. Never click on suspicious links and keep your communication within the platform's messaging system, ensuring a traceable and secure transaction environment. We also have fake listings where deals can seem too good to be true, often featuring cheap prices on cars, phones, or pets. Proceed with caution by checking the seller's profile, reading reviews, and if possible, meeting in person before handing over any money. Lastly, there's the personal info scam, where the scammer asks for your ID, phone number, or banking information. Under no circumstances should you share your sensitive information with strangers, as it could lead to identity theft or fraudulent activities. By keeping these tips in mind, you'll be armed with the knowledge needed to identify and avoid scams, making your online buying or selling experience safer and more enjoyable. Stay vigilant and safe online.